Today, we're making grilled salmon onigiri. Inspired by the delicious and extremely convenient ones you can buy in Japan at places like Lawson's or 7-Eleven, we're making these delicious snacks here at home instead. It's going to be hard to beat getting a salmon onigiri at Lawson's for $1.50, but we can at least make these at home and enjoy this yummy snack. It's a great option for an afternoon snack or breakfast. So let's get cooking. We'll start by washing and cooking 5 cups of medium grain sushi rice. See the video in the description for how to make rice in 3 minutes. While this is cooking, let's make our salmon. We're using 1 1/4 pound of salmon, and we're using the air fryer today. But you can of course grill the salmon, or use a pan on the stove, or bake it. The air fryer I found gives the salmon a nice firm cooked texture, but use whatever method you like most. We'll cut the salmon in half to make it easier to fit into the air fryer. We'll then season the salmon with some salt and pepper. Allow to cook in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. Now that we have our salmon and rice all ready, we can form these into our onigiri using roasted dried seaweed sheets. We'll season our rice by sprinkling about half a teaspoon of salt and mixing it together. You don't want the rice to be too hot, but you also don't want it to be fully cooled down when you begin to mold these into shapes. Let the rice cool for about 5 minutes before shaping. We're using these onigiri shaped molds today that make this entire process so much easier. You can find these molds in Amazon, some Asian markets, Tesso Life, or Daiso stores. But if you can't get one, you can always try to form these with your hands. It's just a lot more labor intensive, so try to get a mold. We'll fill each pocket 1/3 of the way with rice and flatten it out using a fork. Then breaking up our salmon, we can carefully add our salmon filling into the center of the rice in each pocket with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salmon. We'll then top it off with more rice and repeat for each pocket. We'll add the lid back on and press down firmly. Remove the lid and we can see that we form these into the rice and filling shapes. To get this out, just slap it on top of a hard surface carefully. We'll cut our nori sheets into thirds and then wrap these thirds around our shaped rice like a blanket. Folding along the edges so that the triangle shape remains. We can repeat this process for all of our salmon and rice. If you bite into this, you'll get a delicious combo of rice, nori, and salmon, which is great for afternoon snacks or a simple breakfast. Wrap these in our plastic wrap to refrigerate for about 3 to 4 days at most. The rice will begin to dry out in the packaging, so enjoy as soon as possible. And boom, you have a delicious grilled salmon onigiri. It's probably not as good as the ones at Lawson's, but it's a great option for making these yummy snacks here when you're far away from Japan. This is a great option for families looking to prep snacks, or just those of you who are missing a piece of Lawson's. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.